Next phylum Ctenophora. These animals are called ctenophores are also called sea walnuts, comb jellies, and the sea gooseberries. Ctenophores are also called sea walnuts, comb jellies, and gooseberries. Habitat. All are marine. Exclusively marine. These are all are marine. Habits. These are free swimming. Next, layers, body layers. Two layers. Diploblastic organisms. These are diploblastic organisms. Outer layer ectoderm, inner layer endoderm. Outer layer ectoderm and inner layer endoderm. These are diploblastic. In between these two layers, mesoglea. Mesoglea present in between the ectoderm and endoderm. Levels of organization. These are tissue level. Tissue level of organization present in Ctenophora, Cnidaria. Symmetry, radial symmetry. Radial symmetry. Coelom is absent. Next, body. Body contains 8 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows. Body contains 8 rows of comb plates. Body contains 8 rows of comb plates. These rows comb plates contain cilia. These are cilia. These cilia helps for the locomotion. Totally comb plates helps for the locomotion. Locomotory organs in ctenophores are comb plates. The special feature, the special character, the unique character in ctenophora is presence of comb plates. Cteno means comb. Phora means bearing. Comb plates. These like a comb. So these are called comb plates. The special feature in Cnidaria. Cnidocytes are absent. Cnidocytes are absent in ctenophora. The difference between Cnidaria and the ctenophora is, main differences is, cnidocytes are absent in ctenophora. Remaining all characters are similar to the Cnidaria. Similar to the Cnidaria. So, Cnidarians. So, Ctenophora also called, phylum Ctenophora also called Cnidaria. Cnidaria means A absent. Cnidocytes. Cnidae means cnidocytes. Cnidocytes absent in this phylum. So, Ctenophora also called Cnidaria. Remaining all characters are similar to the Cnidaria. Next, two flagella present in these organisms. Two tentacles are present in these organisms. These tentacles contain lasso cells. These tentacles contain lasso cells or glue cells. Lasso cells or glue cells. These cells produce glue-like structure. This helps for the capturing of prey. Capturing of food materials. Comb plates helps for the locomotion, and the lasso cells helps for the capturing of prey. Lasso cells are glue cells. Next, digestion. The central body cavity is called gastrovascular cavity. This gastrovascular cavity helps for the digestion and transportation. Digestion is both extracellular and intracellular. Extracellular means intercellular. Intercellular or extracellular. Intracellular. Inter. Next, respiration. Respiration process by diffusion. Special respiratory organs are absent. So, respiration through diffusion process. Excretion also diffusion process. Nerve cells are present in the ctenophores. Sensory cells are statocysts. These are balancing organs. Next, reproduction. These are bisexual organisms. Sexes are not separate. Monoecious or hermaphrodite. Are bisexual. Fertilization is external fertilization. Important. External fertilization. reproduction, only sexual reproduction, only sexual reproduction, important. Asexual reproduction absent in Ctenophora, only sexual reproduction occur. Development, indirect development, means larval stages present in their life cycle. Larvae is sediped larva. Glue cells, lasso cells also called coloblast cells. Coloblast cells. Next, classification. Ctenophora contain two classes, Tentaculata, Nuda. Tentaculata means tentacles. Adult contains two tentacles, two aboral tentacles. In Nuda, tentacles are absent. Examples of Tentaculata: Pleurobranchia harmonifera. This is Pleurobranchia. Nuda, tentacles are absent in Nuda. Example, beryl. Next, Ctenophores exhibit special feature called bioluminescence. Bioluminescence means the living organisms exhibit light, produce light. This light devoid of infrared rays. This light, bioluminescence means living organisms produce light. This light devoid of infrared rays. Infrared rays absent in the light, in this producing light. So this light is called cold light. It is helps for the communication between the organisms, between these organisms, and attracting the prey and attracting the mating organisms. The special features in the Ctenophoras: exclusively marine organism, and it contains comb plates. Comb plates helps for the locomotion, and lasso cells, coloblast cells or glue cells. These are helps for the food capturing. And fertilization, external fertilization, important point, external fertilization. And sexual reproduction, only sexual reproduction, and the larva is sediped larva. These are the important characters of Ctenophora.